If you want to innovate successfully, be a challenger. Just to be clear, I am not saying you need to disagree all the time in a rude or unprofessional way. I am saying that you need to take responsibility to challenge in an appropriate manner when you feel that there is an opportunity to do innovation better. I found that the most effective way to do this is by asking sharp and simple questions. For example, how could we do this project bigger, better, faster, cheaper? Or if you think a project is moving in the wrong direction, please can you remind me of what customer data or evidence we have that shows this will really meet their needs? So basically, it's up to you to strike the right balance of challenging constructively without upsetting people any more than you need to.